Hello guys, ayan guys, nagluto ko ng crabs with corn. Ayan guys, nilagyan ko siya ng mais, ginisa ko po siya ng sibuyas, bawang, saka luya guys. Saka nilagyan ko po siya ng nor cube at saka 7 half. 7 up guys. So, ayan guys, konting suka and konting soy sauce with asukar na konti guys para manamis-namis guys. So tingnan nyo, ang sarap, yummy yummy. Ayan, konti na lang yung apoy guys, malo na yan, mamaya maya maluto na yan guys. So yummy guys. So, ayan guys, thank you for watching my video. Like and share and pa-comment. Bye bye po.